Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can blur your background in Photopea. Basically, there's multiple ways to do this method, and the easiest one is by selecting the blur tool onto the Photopea right here. So once inside, you can just customize your blur tool the way you want to. You have your size and you also have your hardness, and from here you can just simply start blurring out your background manually. Now this is the simplest way to basically do this method, and as you can see, if I go over my character right here, it will then also blur that part of the image. Well, another way to do this professionally is by highlighting your character first. So in our case, we then have the background right here. To highlight your character, it's extremely simple. Just click on the object selection tool, highlight your character, and basically right after that, it will then highlight our character right here that we want to simply select. Basically, right after highlighting our character, you can even customize this even further by clicking on the quick selection tool, and then you have the plus and the minus options. Now, as you can see, I have some overlaps on my character, so I'll just zoom in on that specific part, and then I'll unhighlight that part of the image to make this even better. And so basically right after that, what you can do is to go ahead and press Ctrl J on your keyboard, and it will then separate the character from the background itself. And now that the both of the images are separated with our character and with our background, what you can do is to go ahead and click on your background, click on filter, and from here you can then add something like you have motion blur, radial blur, surface blur, and more. You can just simply select your blur. In my case, I'm going to add something like a motion blur. Select your angle, select your distance, and from here you then want to click on OK. It will then blur the background the way we want to. So once again, let's go ahead and do that. Click on filter, click on blur, and then let's add or try another blur. This time, let's try the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius, and then you can see the changes right here. And so that is how you can blur your images or background in Photopea. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.